This 24/7 Twitch stream makes over $2,000 a month doing absolutely nothing. And I use this exact same method to make over $1,000 a month. Here's how you can set up this exact same system in under an hour. First, find a video that you can loop continuously. For this example, I am using lo-fi, but you can use whatever you want to loop on your stream. Then, go to the website linked in the description and configure your Twitch channel with it. This website will let you loop the video on your stream without you having to do anything. Now that you have your 24/7 live stream configured, you can head over to smmglow.com, where you can boost your way to affiliate status on Twitch, which is required to monetize your channel. Once you reach affiliate status on Twitch, you can buy Prime subs and Twitch subs, effectively doubling your money every time you place an order. On SMM Glow, a Prime sub costs about 39 cents, and Twitch will pay you anywhere from $1 to $3 for that sub. On the other hand, 1,000 Twitch bits cost about $2, and Twitch will pay you $10 for those bits. Finally, make sure your Prime sub orders on SMM Glow stay under 100 subs, and your bits orders stay under 10,000 bits, since you are a new streamer and don't want to get flagged by Twitch.